In this video, we're going to talk about how to solve simple linear equations that are in fractional form. Okay, so this is simply an example of a simple linear equation in fractional form. So when you have a problem like this, the first step you need to take is take the LCM of all the denominators. Okay, so the LCM of these two fractions is simply LCM is 2x. 4 times 4x plus 2. Okay, so the next step after getting the LCM is to multiply each fraction by the LCM. Okay, so you have, or each term by the LCM. So you have 10 divided by 4x plus 2 times 2x times 4x plus 2, which is equal to 4 over 2x, okay, times 2x times 4x plus 2. Okay, so the next thing is to cancel out. So we know that 4x plus 2 can cancel out 4x plus 2. And we know that 2x can cancel out 2x. So what we have now is 10 times 2x is equal to 4 open brackets 4x plus 2. So we know that 10 times 2x is 20x, and that's equal to 4 times 4x is 16x plus 4 times 2, which is 8x, that's plus 8. Okay, so we know that from here we know that we can collect like terms. Okay, so we can move 16x over to this side and leave the constant on one side. So 16 plus 16x going over to this side becomes negative 16x. So we have 20x minus 16x, which is equal to 8. And then from here, we know that 20 minus 16 is 4x is equal to 8. Okay, so we know that x can be divided by 4 on both sides. So this is 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is simply 2. Okay, so that means the value of x for us now is 2. Now, one thing I always suggest is after solving problems, you should check the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. If you check from the original problem and the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side, you've probably made a mistake. So from now, let's check for the left hand side equals to right hand side. We get that 10 divided by 4 open bracket 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2 open bracket 2. Okay, so this 10 divided by 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2. So this is 10. So we know that 4 divided by 2 times 2, which is still 4. Okay, so 10 divided by 10 is, this implies that 1 is equal to 1. So that means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side of our equation. So that means our answer is correct.